What if you could use one open source platform to automate completed workflows, easily add AI agents that just literally do your job? And this is actually what Astron Agent, the next generation tool, is doing it, and it really will help you turn your ideas into powerful AI workflows that work together. Because Astron Agent is here to change the way you build, manage and deploy AI-driven automation on a large scale, whether you are a developer, data scientist or business owner. So without wasting any time, let's get started and see how this game-changing platform can change the way you do your job. So today we are going to get into a lot of detail on how Astron Agent can allow you to do all of this and more. So it's really an interesting tool that's allow you to make complex workflow by using AI agents that collaborate, communicate and perform tasks in a coordinated manner. It is ideal when the person needs to work with complex automations such as an AI engineer, a software developer or a person who creates scalable AI system to be used in a production. You may consider this as a means to make AI agents structure themselves in a manner that would ensure that they complete their work on time regardless of the complexity of the process. It is not comparable to other platforms by the fact that it can handle multiple agents who are working together. And this is essential in cases where you have to be able to subdivide large tasks into smaller and manageable ones. The advantage of this is that it allows more than one agent to work. Astron agents allow segregating a task between more than one agent rather than having only one agent complete the task. And the agents are able to work on their respective tasks such as processing an API request, processing a unit of data or communicating with another system. And this creates a powerful decentralized workflow as every agent processes a task and collaborates with the rest to fulfill the large objective. It is a way to not only have things run more easily, but also you have more choices. And in case of issue with one agent, the rest of the system will continue and the process will proceed without excessive issues. Then there is a terrific assistant to tool integration. Astron Agent simplifies the process of adding external company tools to your processes. Astron Agent supports a great variety of tools that ensure that your workflow can speak with all the it requires connected to accessing data via an API, calling a machine learning model, or interacting with a database. And this provides a new world of opportunities. You are at freedom to automate data collection, use third-party service, or even integrate it with your current stack without necessarily needing to go back to the drawing board. Astron Agent is an excellent resource to any developer or engineer who desires to streamline their process, since it allows one to integrate and utilize other systems in many different ways. However, what happens when the process that you are dealing with do not simply requires a few seconds or a few minutes? It could require them hours or days of calculation. It is at this point that the capability of dealing with the long-running tasks can be quite helpful. Astron Agent is also not limited to quick and short-term tasks, but is capable of long-term tasks as well. Imagine doing complex simulation, handling very large data sets without having to worry about their handling or breaking down. You must also be in a position to look at what is happening as you do these things. This is also well done by Astron Agent, which offers a complete package of monitoring tools. You will be able to monitor the progress of every agent, monitor the status of tasks, and address the arising issues in a moment when your workflow is in operation. And these surveillance devices ensure that you never miss out on what is happening. You will always be aware of the progress of your workflow, whether the things are going and whether there can be issues. You should be able to see real-time updates when you are working on large projects that require constant attention and adjustments. And really, Astron Agent is an excellent choice in terms of deployment, since it can expand along with your needs. Astron Agent is able to expand or contract on demand, be it a small project or a large production system. It was developed to be useful in the real world, and thus you can run it in production without worrying about its stability or reliability. To execute your workflows, you can use your data center, a private cloud, or use a public cloud. Select that one that suits your infrastructure, and this is why it's an excellent option to both novice developers and companies that seeks to introduce AI workflow to their more extensive business. The objectives of the collaboration that Astron Agent has is to find more developers, promote open source contribution, and develop a community of makers. Astron Agent is an excellent environment to work in when people like to share their work and learn with others. The platform welcomes developers to create and publish workflows on GitHub, and may even subscribe them to collections such as the Awesome Astron Workflows repository. By doing this, you are not only assisting other people, you are also learning more about how other people use the platform. Making your workflow public can assist you in reaching out to more people and contributing to the developer community body of knowledge. Astron Agent is not a mere theory, but it can find practical application. automation is really very useful. An example is Astron Agent, which automates much of the time-intensive workflow in research and data processing. It takes care of all the grueling work such as the data collection and cleaning, which enable the researchers to concentrate on more significant aspects such as analysis and insights. Long-running task support enables research to install pipelines that operates on massive datasets without halting. The automated section causes the process to be significantly quicker, and this simplifies the iterations and output occur at a faster rate. Astron Agents has the ability to transform the game in the backend operation world. It can be used to automate such things as backup, health checks, system monitoring, and data synchronization should be responsible of servers, database, or big systems. It ensures that all these activities proceed without any hitches and assistance of people. It is particularly applicable in the production environment where the reliability and uptime are highly valued. Astron Agent also possesses significant opportunities of automating software workflow. Automation is only possible in software development when part of your pipeline is automation. As an example, code complication, testing, and deployment can be automated. It is an effective device to any developer since it allows developers to have control over both code and production system on a single platform. And these tasks can be automated to accelerate the release of new features and updates. This reduces the errors that individuals make and make the things more effective. An Astron Agent can be easily started by simply having you clone the repository on GitHub and follow simple instructions. As soon as you have created your environment, you can begin to create your workflows. The documentation will guide you through the process, be it as a simple task automation or a more complex task with multiple agents interacting with each other. Once built, you can monitor your workflow with the help of monitoring tools offered by Astron. The entire process is simplified in order to take the idea and action swiftly and easily. Finally, Astron Agent is an extremely important tool for any person who wants to enhance his AI working process. It combines the excellence of multi-agent teamwork, integrates of tools, manage of tasks over time, and deployment on a production level. Meanwhile, it promotes an open source community of collaboration. And if you are interested in using Astron Agent, visit GitHub and see it. It's a very powerful tool and you are gonna love it. So link in the description, don't forget to try it out. And if you have any questions related to Astron Agent, then definitely comment down below. And if this video is helpful for you, then definitely hit that like button and that subscribe button too. And if you want to learn more about AI tool like this, then definitely watch this video now.